The Geodesic Dome is by far the most amazing structure ever designed. We make everything right here in the USA. Family owned and operated in Ashland, Oregon since 1980, Pacific domes are shipped all around the globe. In this video, we'll outline some of the ways that our domes benefit you as an alternative living solution. Not only is the Geodesic Dome the strongest structure known to man, but it utilizes the least amount of material to cover the greatest amount of space. Our domes are engineered as a permanent structure. Engineering is available if permitting is required. Our frames are made of structural galvanized steel. We offer different size tubing, depending on your snow and wind load requirements. We supply the hardware and anchor plates to secure your dome's frame to any surface. We hand make each cover with top quality architectural fabrics. Some of our clients have lived in their domes for over 30 years. Our covers are waterproof, flame and mildew resistant, easy to clean, and available in your choice of color. Door and window placements can be customized to your needs. The standard pre-hung door frame is a top choice for dome homes. For the more nomadic type, the zipper door offers convenience, as it can fold up along with the cover of your dome. A large, durable vinyl window comes with each dome, allowing nature to enter. Optional skylight roofs are available. Each dome comes with removable round windows. Interchangeable screens are also available. For off-the-grid living, each dome can come with a wood stove installation kit. Comfortable temperatures can be maintained inside the dome, even as snow falls outside. For the warmer months, zippers allow you to roll up the side wall for cross-ventilation. Optional screens are available for any of your windows and doors as well. Totally powered by the sun, our solar fan provides quiet air circulation, completely off the grid. Our insulated liners are easy to install and create an R value of 6 or greater. Our ThermaShield paint will increase the R value. Elastomeric ThermaShield paint will not only protect your fabric from UV exposure, making it last indefinitely, it will also add a reflective insulation, cutting your utilities by 1/3. Any paint color or combination of colors is possible. We offer 3 floor plans for your convenience: stationary, portable, and a perimeter plan for nomadic lifestyles. The stationary plan shown here is perfect for long-term use. The portable pie piece plan allows the deck to be disassembled in sections and moved easily. The perimeter plan is great for a more nomadic lifestyle. A heavy-duty vinyl floor, used with the perimeter board, creates a perfect waterproof barrier. Our in-house design team works closely with our sales staff to ensure all your custom needs are properly met. After your designs are complete, our warehouse production team sews, welds, cleans, quality checks, and rolls up your custom dome for delivery or pickup. Our domes are portable and easy to assemble. We provide complete instruction manuals, and our on-site staff is available to assist with your needs throughout your project. We also offer a qualified team that is ready to travel anywhere to ensure your success.